6:45 now. Welcome back. The time frame between Memorial Day and Labor Day is considered the 100 deadliest days. It's a period that has seen the most deadly car crashes involving teenagers. Local law firm Cohn Stiles has worked to bring awareness to this issue and help keep our roads a little bit safer. Joining us this morning, Jorge Barrientos, Director of Marketing and Public Relations, to talk about that and a new scholarship program to help out. First of all, thank you for joining us this morning.
Thank you, Mike. Appreciate it.
You know, when we talk about driver's ed training, of course, there's a lot of things that students have to go through, 16-year-olds, in order to get their license. But it's that on-the-road training, behind-the-wheel training that we talk about. I got in high school. It was actually a semester-long program when I was going to school. But now, what are the difficulties that some kids face in trying to get that extra help to get their license?
Yeah, I think you just mentioned one of them, right? These classes used to be offered in schools, no longer anymore. So they depend on some of the private institutions, which can be pretty pricey for a lot of families in Kern County. So that's kind of the goal of this scholarship. One of them, anyway, is to help out some of our local teenagers and families that maybe might not have the funds available, but you know, these teenagers, they need to drive for whatever reason, whether it's school or work, and hopefully this will help them out.
This is called the Guided Partners in Safety, or the GPS scholarship, being offered by your firm. And were you surprised with the number of applications you got for the first year? You got 150, correct?
Yeah, 150. We opened up the applications back in January, and this is the first time we've ever done this. Again, just kind of to help out families, but also, you know, and I'm sure we'll talk about the safety component too. Teen driving is a privilege, but it comes with great responsibility, and teenagers need to know that. So when we opened them up, it was open to any high school student in Kern County, and 150 applied, and ultimately we chose 11 as the winners.
And what will they be receiving?
So we're paying for their driver's education training, okay, which includes an online component, and then also the famous behind the wheel training that we all as teenagers feared when we were growing up, and that's more than $300 for each of them.
Wow. Where ultimately do you want to see this program go? I mean, are you hoping that one day maybe you could fund, and I'm just saying this off the cuff right now, but maybe you could fund more than 100?
Yeah, obviously, yeah. I mean, the goal again is to get our roadways safer and safer, and teen drivers, from statistics that we know, they're the leading cause of injury and death among teens. I should say that teen driving is the leading cause of injury and death, more so than suicide, cancer, and other types of accidents. So if there's a way where we can help make our roadways safer, not only for these teenagers, but also the rest of us driving on our roadways, that's a win for everybody, I think.
Jorge Barrientos with Cohn Stiles, I want to thank you for coming in this morning, and best of luck with this program.
Thank you very much, Mike.